three little pigs. Little pigs, little pigs. And then the big bad wolf, he came, knocked on the door. Knock, 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 knock. And the little pig said, "Who's there? Who?" And the big bad wolf said, "It's not a big bad wolf." And then he said, "Let me in." And the little pig said, "Not by the hair, I'm a chee chee chee." Yes, I know. And the big bad wolf said, "I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in." And so the big bad wolf, he huffed and he puffed and he blew his house in. Yes, but that's because he didn't have a guard dog like you, right?